Pacific Grove, nestled inside the huge $1 trillion infrastructure bill that President Joe Biden signed into law last week, are two bills co-authored by Representative Jimmy Panetta aimed at helping monarch butterflies and other insect pollinators threatened by loss of habitat and pesticide use. There are two bills that Panetta, D-Carmel Valley, announced in April while flanked by Pacific Grove Mayor Bill Peake and Santa Cruz Mayor Donna Meyers, two cities where monarchs overwinter along Monterey Bay. The first is a 5-year program that will provide $10 million in grants to benefit pollinators on roadsides and highway rights-of-way. Called the Monarch and Pollinator Highway Act, the bill was authored by Panetta and Oregon Democratic Senator Jeff Merkley. Eligible projects include the planting of native plants, which provide pollen and nectar to wild pollinators, as well as the costs of switching to pollinator-friendly practices, such as reducing mowing, especially during key points in the monarch butterfly migration. Pollinating creatures, birds, bats, bees and butterflies, are important because pollinated plants provide 1 out of every 3 bites of food, according to the San Francisco-based nonprofit Pollinator Partnership. A number of vegetables, fruit and nut crops depend on the transfer of pollen to reproduce. Bigger still is the $250 million Monarch Action, Recovery, and Conservation of Habitat Act that will be distributed to states over the next 5 years for invasive plant removal along roads, highways, railroads and other transportation routes. While not primarily pollinator-focused, the program prioritizes projects that will revegetate areas with pollinator-friendly native species when invasive plants are ripped out.